Assalamu alaikum everyone. I expect that you are also well. I'm also well by the Almighty, merciful Allah. Today I wanna share with you how to you improve your English speaking. We have written exam in English, but we do not have conversation exam in English. That's why we read English 12 years old, but we cannot speak English. So, in this present world, English is the very important language to communication others country. So you have to practice every day and regularly, and you can record your video for 2 minutes or 1 minute, and it will be very useful for you and for improve your English.